The environmental humanities emerge out of crisis and concern, and specifically they emerged with the awareness that the facts are not enough. My name is Kate Rigby. I work in this new field that has become known as the environmental humanities.
Whether for the Celts, Romans or Christians, the hot bubbling springs in Bath were always considered a sacred place. Every culture settled at the hot springs, emphasizing their healing properties. This is a research topic for Kate Rigby, a founder of the field of environmental humanities, which examines the relationship between humans and nature from a humanities perspective.
Human history is actually informed by and entangled with natural history. Like often we think that human history exists within a kind of passive background of the natural world. But in fact, natural phenomena, natural entities and processes play into human history.
In her work, Kate Rigby illuminates the relationship between humans, other living beings, and their shared Earth habitat. How do we react to the crises of our time? Climate change, species extinction, heat, drought, floods. The Church of England is not oblivious to this and has launched a biodiversity offensive for its churchyards and land.
This is an example of the way in which the churches and other religious traditions and forms of spirituality are responding to the environmental crisis that we find ourselves in and seeking to recover traditions that are more honouring of the living world.
Kate Rigby has moved to Cologne. Here, the Australian-born scientist heads the newly founded Centre for Multidisciplinary Environmental Studies in the Humanities, or MESH.
So the environmental humanities are concerned particularly with that dimension of meaning, values, assumptions, and concerned with the opportunities that we have, the cultural opportunities we have to also foster change.
Kate Rigby researches the social, cultural and ethical dimensions of global climate change and species extinction, as well as the associated ecological, climatic and health crises. At the newly founded MESH Institute, the historical, anthropological, philosophical, literary and linguistic expertise of the humanities comes into dialogue with the natural and social sciences. New approaches and concepts are being negotiated. According to her colleague Roman Bartosz, this is the right task for Kate Rigby. With her on board, the University of Cologne wants to establish itself as a location for interdisciplinary global environmental research.
Someone who's really conversant in all these fields can teach, I think, other scholars interested in crossing disciplinary boundaries how to actually have these conversations. Sometimes it's terminology, sometimes it's research protocols, sometimes it's just not knowing what a highly diversified academic structure and system means for actual research and collaboration. But we all know that the topics that we are discussing require that we work together.
Kate Rigby will continue to explore the changing relationship between humans and nature. A new starting point for her research is, for example, the Green Belt Park of the city of Cologne. The hills of the park are heaps of rubble, remaining from the bombings of the Second World War.
It was decided to allow it to remain, to put soil on it, to plant trees on it, to allow it to be a place of regeneration. Indeed, the area of this lake down here, the Aachener Weiher, was a Nazi parade ground. So this place, which has been marked by oppression and violence and terror and war, is now a place of regeneration.
Finding new terminologies for places like this and examining them with humanistic methods, that is the expertise of Kate Rigby.